It's another charming Yorkshire town. Welcome to Knaresborough, a mind-blowing view from the river. Exploring this beautiful town, come and join us. Today is not really such a very nice day, but the thing is, we just have to enjoy the view, feel the breeze of this very historical county of Harrogate, with this very picturesque view and very historical landmark in the county of Harrogate. Knaresborough is widely considered worth visiting for its picturesque riverside setting, historic market town, charming medieval streets, stunning viaduct, and the unique attractions like Mother Shipton's Cave and the petrifying well, offering a blend of natural beauty, history, and traditional English town life. It's perfect for day trips or short breaks. Hello mga ka-sweetlangs! Good morning again! Good morning! Welcome to North Yorkshire, and nandito tayo ngayon sa Knaresborough. Nanonood sila ng train, yung dadaan.
The lighting from that direction makes it look well. I think
mga ka-city babs! Hello, good morning mga ka-sweetlangs! Sa Ate Mika, tsaka si Ate Reg. Kaso maulan ngayon. Maulan ngayon, guys. And nandito kami sa Knaresborough. Yan. Lalakad-lakad lang tayo. And look! Yan ang makikita nyo ngayon kapag umuulan dito sa Knaresborough. County of Harrogate. Yan ang mga kasama ko. Ako ang videographer. Ala, ang ganda dyan. Hoy, ang ganda dyan. Ang ganda pala dito. Siyempre, mga ignorante ang mga taga East Midlands. So, nandito yung river. Dahan-dahan lang tayo sa river kasi baka matinag tayo. Ayan. Yan yung postcard dito sa Harrogate, mga ka-sweetlangs. Yung river nila, and then yung bridge ng train. Yun yung bridge ng train. And yan yung husband ko, yan. Say hi, my baby love. Ayan. Mangot. Siyempre, hindi na kayo magtataka na kasi mangot na yan. So, yun yung river. Imagine mo yan, mga ka-sweetlangs, kapag summertime. Lahat yan green. Pero dahil winter ngayon and it's rainy days, kaya parang malungkot yung weather. Pero naririnig nyo ba yung sa tubig? Hi mga ka-sweetlangs! And nandito na nga tayo ngayon sa York, and nag-side trip tayo dito sa York Designer Outlet. Actually, I've been here several years ago. It was like maybe 3 years ago. Pero since dinalaw namin sa Ate Mix dito sa York, actually from Harrogate siya, pero close city kasi etong York sa Harrogate, kaya nag-side trip kami dito sa Designer Outlet. Hindi pa din kasi napuntahan ni husband itong outlet na to, and we've been doing some shopping para sa upcoming holiday namin, mga ka-sweetlangs. So yes, may holiday na naman tayo soon. And I actually mga a week holiday yun. Actually, it was 8 days holiday from somewhere else. And talagang dapat antabayanan nyo ha. Kasi maganda yung pupuntahan din naming holiday in few weeks dahil it's because of some adventure, mga tourist destination, and mga so on. Madami pang gagawin talaga. So, inaantay na lang namin sila Ate Mika. Tignan nyo dito mga ka-sweetie bebs. Ayan, super dry. And Guess outlet. And some outlets there. Some shops, I would say. Ayan. Ang aking husband. Mukhang may nabili na naman tayo. May Bebe Loves. Mag-smile ka. Mag-smile ka. Hindi na nag-smile. mga kaswitas. Lahat sila may dalang bag. Yan. So, ayan yung mga nakikita nyong, ayan yung mga some shops dito. And, na-surprise lang ako mga ka-sweet langs kasi alam nyo ba, bibilihin ko na dapat yung coat na parang pang prinsesa sa prinsesa sa Guess. O, di ba? Kasi prinsesa tayo. Dapat bibili na natin yon. Pero, so, discounted na siya. From 225 pounds, naging 125. Ngayon, dahil outlet nga ito, binigyan pa kami ng another discount. So, yung original price niya na 225, naging 64 na lang siya mga ka-sweet langs. Ngayon, papasok tayo dito sa Guess. And tignan nyo, look. 70%. Ah, CK pala. Mali na naman tayo, Lords. CK na pala ito siya la.
Tutuwa talaga ako sa shopping namin dito dahil hindi ko ina-expect na yung dami ng discount na binigay nila sa amin. So on top of 70%, may pa 10% pa yung iba. At additional pa yung 10% na madi-discount mo kapag may blue light card ka para sa mga NHS workers or sa mga caterers, support workers na kagaya namin. So may mga additional discount pa yung mga ka-sweet langs. And then today nga pala nung nag-shopping kami, it's Sunday. And the thing is, medyo maagang magsasara yung mall. Pero maaga naman kaming pumunta kaya sagad talaga yung time namin para sa aming shopping.
Okay na? Kain na tayo guys dito sa Panda Mami. Ay, andito tayo sa Panda Mami York. And dito tayo mag-buffet mga ka-sweetie babs. It's Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So, open sila araw-araw. So, this is what it looks like. So mga ka-sweet langs, this is the dessert here. Yummy! Look at the chocolate. And dessert muna tayo. They got oh, look at that.
There are so many options in this buffet restaurant and I really don't know what to pick and put on my plate. It's just I was browsing all the food menu and yeah, it really looks very tasty. And my friends, they don't stop really picking up the food. We enjoyed much of the shopping, the food, the place. It's just superb and I would really love to go back again.